and things like the Chartered Institute of Business and Structural Engineers, CIBSE. These are the Institute and Faculty of Actuaries is a UK operation. The CIBSE is a global one. The CFA Institute is a global one. And SEMA. I mean, I'm a SEMA. I'm a chartered accountant as well. I'm a management accountant. And the UK government run an independent survey to check up on where they are 18 months after they graduate. And we came #1 in Scotland this year and #2 in the whole of the UK. There are 146 universities in the UK, and our graduates are doing better than, and this, I'm not surprised, I'm pleased, but I'm not surprised because we're not offering every single degree. You know, we're not, our students are not going on to not very well paid jobs because they've all come, because those bigger universities do lots of other subjects. We are really, really focused on what we do, and we do it really well. We have a lot of amazing professors here. That's another reason I wanted to come here. These are just 4 examples. Phil Greening is a specialist in inventing autonomously driven road freight, which he's trying to decarbonise road freight. Susan Crumdyke works in our Orkney. We have a small campus in Orkney, which is right up an island, right off the island. Finished with them reviewing every single programme we have, and I think the first 32 are approved and on their website, and if you wait a couple of months, the rest will be going up there as well.
Squeeze here. 3rd floor for the help. No, okay, this is not cinema or like, you know, seminar or these things, you know.
So it's a very collaborative space. So the professor might be asking a question, throw the mic to the student, and then like that.
Great.
Yeah. So very fun space. But if you're a computer science student, it's unlikely that you will have a class here because 100 students won't fit in here. Data science will fit.
Okay, for
बाबू यहाँ पढ़ाना अच्छा है कि इंडिया?
India, my personal opinion is that India, they teach so many unnecessary things.
you're right, 100%.
Because
She's 100% right.
you have what value education class. Even in college, my friends are doing English class, Hindi class, value education class, this class. We have 4 subjects per sem. That's all. What is needed only you're learning here. Either place you go, any place you go, the level of education, no professor is going to teach you everything fully. It's not like school. You have to learn by yourself. There is no professor who's going to teach you everything and full. But wherever you go, it'll be good. Honestly, you will like wherever you go. Or like it's not like one is good, one is bad.
Yeah.
Everyone will enjoy their own experience somehow. But I feel like they put too much pressure in India. So
Right.
much they have to learn.
Okay.
But you prefer India? They're very concerned about what job they'll get. Because India is not very employing.
When people are coming here, they are not getting the job.
Yeah, even here they're not getting. But I think it'll be better if you, job-wise, if you think here is better.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
But it's not like just because...
4,000, 5,000.
Yeah, I mean, again, it's not like just because you learn.
Great.
Huh?
Oh, it is going back.
It's going back.
The particular place, huh? Okay. Okay, this is the library.
This is library. This is where IT, so if you have any issues with your, we have our own Microsoft account. So we get Excel, Word, everything we'll get for free from uni. As long as you're a university student, you will get your Microsoft Office full, you'll get.
Okay.
So if you have an issue with your Microsoft account, or we have a portal called Canvas where we have all our courses, everything, we can, our grades, our assignments, everything you can see there. I don't know if any problems are there, you can come here.
Okay. Okay.
So computer ये लोग देना free या पैसा?
Free. But
तो हमको खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है.
but borrowing, not for forever. You have to give it back.
Okay.
After 4 years.
Not for years. For a day if you forget
for the
your
work.
laptop. You understand?
For the temporary, for the work.
For the time.
Yeah.
The time. Laptops, what is a laptop? When you are spending say 79,000 dirham, Then
And if not, also you computer lab you saw, no? So if you don't have your laptop, you can work there also. But if you ideally you would want to work on your assignments at home because you're not always in uni. So yeah,
you have to buy the laptop.
yeah.
ये सब दुबई का
So this is group study room.
So again, with the Microsoft account that you have, you can book these rooms so you can study with your friends. But these rooms, they run out pretty quick, so you have to book it advance and then you'll get it.
Okay.
This is library.
Yes. This is books over here.
Yes. And this is where people study. This, you see it there? The tables?
Yes.
Oh, here. So that's where people study. But during exams, people study here. This is called the library quiet study room.
ये किताब फ्री है किताब का पैसा
Yeah.
लगेगा कि फ्री
Read over here and keep back.
बुक का पैसा लगता है
Ah. This is a study room during the examination, huh?
I mean, anytime you can go here. But
Yeah.
exam time, this is full. Like last week, this place was full. Now suddenly no one wants. Because during exams, this place, no one makes a sound. You are not allowed to make a sound only. So security will come and put you out if you make a sound. So concentrated time you need.
ये एग्जाम करने के लिए
Exam करने के लिए नहीं.
एग्जाम का प्रिपरेशन के लिए
Preparation. Not just exam. You can come anytime, but it's a more like concentration space.
Yeah. Great.
Where are you guys from in India?
India, North India.
Where? Gujarat? No.
Patna.
Patna
You know?
is
North.
in. Patna is in where? Which city?
Patna, Bihar.
Bihar. Okay.
Yeah.
Both of you.
Both of us.
Okay.
Yes.
हम लोग को इंग्लिश आता है आपको
Huh? Okay, never mind.
You are from Kerala?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could tell, yeah. Everyone's from Kerala. Okay, so this is our football field.
Ah, this is football field as well, huh?
Yeah. Huh?
बहुत अच्छा दिखता है
But
Great.
other universities, you can see that. So I will be honest, our university is kind of small. It's only a building. Even Wollongong is small, but we are expanding our building. But still, we don't have an auditorium. We don't have like football. Only football field. This is not ours, but our students also use this.
Yeah.
We don't have a basketball court. I'm just telling you honestly what we don't have. But we have sports clubs and social clubs and academic societies. So
Okay.
every sport we have even sports like dragon boating. I don't know if you know about dragon boating. Only university to have a water sport in Dubai, and we actually win all of them as well. But what I'm trying to say is that even though we don't have all of them in uni, basketball club we will go somewhere and then we will. It's all
This
free.
company, this university, they help to.
They have, yeah. Basically, we all. So there's a big council. So we have student council. We are part of student council. So there's a president, and then like events, well-being, sports.
Yeah.
This is all different. Then under them also there are clubs, presidents, club. So
Great.
everything. So if you come here, you are interested in football. What is your son good at? Sports or singing, dancing?
बात करने में है
Baat, so baat karne, debating we have a MUN club, so like that, okay, literature club, we have all that. So you will try out, you will first join the club, you will try out for the team. Once you're in the team, you can represent Heriot-Watt in the
As per the
competitions and stuff.
as per the passion.
Yeah, as per the passion.
As per the passion.
I'm in music club because I'm a singer, but different people, different.
You are a singer?
Yeah, a singer.
ये सब कुछ करती है
Hey.
Great.
No.
Great. So this is the.
Yeah, and especially if you're thinking of job and all, don't take what I'm saying as truth like that, but tell him to research about data science as well. Just in case, just tell him to research about it.
Data
Because
science.
more than computer science, there is scope for.
Exactly.
Because it's
yeah.
new.
सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर
Software engineering also, but that's difficult. Different level it is, especially if you don't know coding.
But nowadays, software. There are a lot of software already.
That's right.
They
Data
are
science
already
is
developed.
Yeah.
So maybe it-
Basically, right now, the data scientists that are there in the market right now are like my cousins, my older cousins, like 30, 40 years cousins I have. They study something else completely differently, and then they realize, okay, there is
A scope in
future
data
there.
science.
So they all changed their data.
How is AI?
AI is also good, but it's different. AI,
Yes.
you need a lot of coding, this, that.
Yeah.
Data science is more about statistics, maths, probability, things like that. So they all converted their courses somehow, like they will take crash course and they got into data science.
Yeah.
But right now in the market, the people that are there are these like half, they studied something and then they went into data science.
AI बोला ना
AI also, artificial intelligence is also good.
good हाँ
It's also good, yeah.
But that depends upon the more coding.
More coding.
And AI depends upon the mostly in statistic and evaluation and all these things.
And AI, it's good. Obviously, it's good, but there are controversies on AI. How much you can use it. Problems about if it's ethical. What if the robots do this? What if the robots do that? It's always good, but it's more hard. I would say, especially hearing what your son is like. He's good at maths. Your son. Ask him also what he wants to do. Just think of data science. Just think of it, because right now what they have are these, they learn something else, but then they took a crash course and they became data scientists. But every company, because one company is getting a data scientist, that company is doing good. Every other company is thinking, oh, I also want a data scientist. So they are trying to hire data scientists. But the ones that are there right now are these old people. So they are looking for younger people who are coming with a fresh data science course. So just think about it. Not pushing anything.
Yeah, that's right. You're right. You're studying. This is what this map or what?
I think this is where you see. Right now it's not working, I think. Okay, they're not
It's not.
sounding. Basically, you want to look where your books are here. So you will search up the book that you want, and then they will tell you where it is. You can go and look. And apart from these books, we have online libraries. Because you're a Heriot-Watt student, you get access to these things, free access. So that also, they will tell you, if this is not available here, then you can access it online. Once you get your book from here, you use your ID here, and you scan, and then you take it in your name. So you will register.
It will register.
Once you're done, you can just return it there.
Ah, returning is there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So no human interaction. Easy.
The group study, this all these things. Good.
Where did he go?
Pardon?
Where did he go?
Anandji? Oh,
Oh, he's talking to some random people.
yeah.
So you guys are like brothers.
Kind of brothers. My name is Sajid Iqbal. He is Anandji.
Okay. You are giving me. No, I'm saying like brothers.
Yeah, like brother, yes.
He's very interested in your sons. Oh. Here. What is this?
अच्छा होता है पढ़ने के लिए ये सब खाने की किताबें
So you have already talked to admissions, yes? Already?
Already finished, yes. No, that was the...
How do I say it? Squeeze everything out of the uni because you are paying this much money. Yeah, no one's lying. This money is too much, honestly, for what they're asking. But you will squeeze them, take everything that they have, use the resources that they're giving us. Then you can say that, okay, I have done something and I've not simply wasted the money. So it all depends on you, and that's the kind of thing that I was saying. Look at
How
the
you
way-
get back the money.
Yeah, basically.
In,
Exactly. So just tell him to go with that mentality that I'm gonna make most of it. When you first come into uni, you won't have friends, that and all, everything, how you work towards it. And Dubai is about connections, making connections. So it's good. So all that, he will learn. Anyway, we'll go to well-being here. This is well-being. If you're ever struggling mentally or whatever, you can come here. We have our own, counselors here.
Ah,
So they can help you. Okay, these all are rooms for that counseling. So
Counseling.
they can help you. thing is student services, Paris student services. So this is one place that I would tell you to keep in mind. First floor, student services. Here, international students can come for help, visa things and all.
Oh,
You
here.
can- yeah.
Okay.
Even right now, if you have any questions, you can ask. But I'll just show you.
Anand ji. Student service center.
You can ask now itself about visa, accommodation, things like that. If you want to ask, they can help right now itself.
Okay.
But if later you want to come also, here international student support is only open from 2 to 3 p.m.
2 to 3 p.m. Okay.
Or you can mail them as well to know about.
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to get their mail? Just in case.